over there.
Wow, those are some
I
big
never said to
ones.
pick it up.
So where did you get this? You just found this?
No, this one I picked up. You see, this one he make another seats. He make it right on seats look like chestnuts.
Little chest, okay.
Yeah, look like chestnuts. And inside the seats, you pick up the seats and put over there and go for Carduni.
So this, you didn't buy the seeds at the store for
No,
this?
no. I just pick up on wild.
In the wild.
And you see, the Carduni, this one called Carduni. This was old. You gotta take it out of the leaf like that. Take it out of the you call it feeling.
Yeah, like the strings.
The string. You take out the string, you wash, you boil.
You boil it.
You boil. When you boil, you put it in oil. The oil nice hot, and you fry it.
And fry it.
And fry it. I can put it on a bowl in too if you want.
So do you boil it and then fry it, or you have
Before
to
boil, after you can put on a flag on a comb.
Oh, okay.
After the fryer.
And then you fry it.
You can make enough frittata, call it frittata.